Suborder Ischnocera. These lice are permanent obligatory ectoparasites of a diverse selection of birds and mammals with a worldwide distribution. Historically, they played a major role in the development of our ideas on coevolution. They feed mostly on skin, hair, and feather debris, but sometimes feed on blood as well. Lice tend to be abundant in cool weather or on animals stressed by poor nutrition or overcrowding. External morphology of this suborder is that the antennae are filiform and visible at the sides of the head, and they are composed of 3 to 5 segments. The suborder is parasitic in both mammals and birds. Ischnocera in birds. First, we have Cocklotogaster heterographus, also known as a head louse of poultry, occurs on the skin and feathers of head and neck. It occurs on fowls and partridges. Next is Goniodis gigas, which is a large louse occurring on the body and feathers of the fowl. Third is Lipiorus caponis, a slender elongated louse occurs on the underside of the large wing feathers. This occurs in fowls and pheasants. Helopistis melegridis is a common louse in turkey. Columbicola columbae occurs in domestic and wild pigeons. Lastly, we have Anticola crassicornis that can be found on the dog. Ischnocera in mammals. Damalinia bovis occurs on cow. Damalinia equi occurs on horses. Damalinia ovis occurs on sheep. Damalinia caprae occurs on goats. Damalinia limbate on Angora goats. Trichodectis canis occurs on dogs. And Felicola sabrostatus occurs on cats. Now, there are 3 suborders of Malophaga, the Amblycera, Ischnocera, and Rhynchopterina.